first of all, I really loved the conversations around. It was not just about the technology, it was not just about running operations, it was all about creating end-to-end visibility in the system, which I really liked about it. And I think we should often come and participate in such sessions in future. The message, I think Deepak is already talking about it. It is about solving the real life challenges, guys. It's not about technology. It's not about which function should win it or which KPI we should deliver. It's always about picking the right business challenge, designing the right architecture around it, and solving it using technology, people, process, and capability. That's what my key takeaways from this session. Right now, the challenge which we are facing, and I'm just walking out of a discussion in my organization also, is how do we, integrate the people who are operating in silos, let's say procurement, let's say logistics, manufacturing, and bring it into an end-to-end value system so that people can focus on one key moment of truth, one key data pipeline, and take decisions or drive value generation out of it. So that is one challenge which we as an industry are facing right now, because our customers are ever evolving. If you look at people today, they have access to apps, they have access to stores, good stores, they have access to a lot of different channels to reach out to brands like us. So the challenge is how to keep them engaged and also bring everyone together to fulfill what their need is today. Yes, definitely. Why not? Because sessions like this, they open our eyes also. Because elsewhere we are too intrinsic, too into our own systems, processes. This platform gives us an opportunity to interact with people from different backgrounds and also get an external view on what will work and what will not. So thank you so much for inviting, and definitely I'd love to come back again. Thank you so much.